Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Reddit password tested method step by step clearly. To reset your Reddit password, start by opening the Reddit website or app. Look for the login button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on it to access the login page. Once on the login page, find the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Click on Forgot Password. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Reddit account. Type in your email address and click Continue. Check your inbox for an email from Reddit. Open the email and look for the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will redirect you to a password reset page. On this page, enter your new password. Make sure your new password meets Reddit's security requirements. Once you've entered your new password, confirm it by typing it again. Click on the Change Password button to finalize the process. You should see a notification confirming that your password has been changed. Now, return to the Reddit login page. Enter your email and the new password to log in. Congratulations, you've successfully reset your Reddit password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.